How to disable notifications in Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to disable the notifications that you keep on getting on your mobile phone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings application of your mobile phone. Just like this. After that, you will find something like this. Now scroll down until the end and here you can find the apps. Just right here, tap on it. Now again scroll down and find the Lyft app. Just right here, select it. Now here you can find notifications, tap on it. Now to disable it, simply tap onto this allow notifications button and disable it. Just like this. Now you can see the notifications are now disabled. Now do the same process. And that's it. This is how you can disable notifications into the Lyft app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.